Times Now has accessed charge sheet filed by Delhi police against NewsClick. And in the charge sheet, NewsClick and its founder Prabir Purkayasth were accused by Delhi police of several offences including terror funding and promoting Chinese propaganda. The charge sheet comprises nearly 8,000 pages and details all the allegations of the alleged Bleed India plot, providing funding to Lashkar-e-Taiba and left-wing extremists and distributing cash among writers associated with the 2019 protests against Citizenship Amendment Act. These are the allegations against NewsClick founder and editor-in-chief Prabir Purkayasth and activist Gautam Navlakha in the charge sheet filed by Delhi police. According to the charge sheet, there is evidence linking him to a conspiracy aimed at funding and supporting terrorist organizations, including the banned Lashkar-e-Taiba. The charge sheet claims that funds amounting to 91 crores were channeled through NewsClick for such activities. The charge sheet also alleges that Mr. Purkayasth conspired to instigate farmers' protest and Delhi riots while also funding various terrorist organizations. It accuses NewsClick of mobilizing masses against CAA NRC, spreading misinformation and inciting hatred through its content. We have Priyank joining us in the broadcast with more details. Priyank, these are very, very serious allegations. The charge sheet talks about collection of funds, about funding terrorists and left-wing extremists, and also mobilizing crowd when it comes to the protests against CAA NRC.
Yes, Swati, and what Delhi police charge sheet is saying that he was involved in this kind of activity since the year 2016, and not only receiving fund from with connivance with Nebulized Singham. Prabir Purkayasth's organization was also misusing its, the outreach to the media in the terms of propagating false propaganda, like including the Akshay Chin as a part of China, then removing Kashmir as a part of India, and all these maps were also touched upon. What the charge sheet has been saying that he was also in touch with the LAT operatives, and since 2016 he was providing fund to the Naxal outfits with the basis, with the help of Gautam Navlakha, who is in Maharashtra, and these are the basic pointers on which the Delhi police has filed an extensive charge sheet. What we have got to know that it is an 8,000-page charge sheet which comprises about the data recovery which has been made from all those 46 to 48 devices which has been recovered in a massive seizure which was done by the Delhi police. So after a very long delay, finally the Delhi police have filed the charge sheet. Prabir Purkayasth is right now in judicial custody.
All right. So like you said, these are very, very serious allegations that have been leveled against Prabir Purkayasth and NewsClick. And in fact, they've been accused of furthering Chinese propaganda as well, Priyank, isn't it?
Yes, certainly, Swati. Chinese propaganda promoting those groups which have been doing terror activity in the country, starting from the Maoist organization, then those foreign terrorist organizations like who were in touch with them, then Lashkar-e-Taiba, and all these key pointers has been mentioned in the charge sheet. The court has gone through the brief note which was given by the Delhi police. Then the court sought for the detailed charge sheet, and after going through every bit of evidence which has been produced by the Delhi police, finally the Delhi Patiala House Court has filed, has taken the cognizance in this matter against Prabir Purkayasth and NewsClick. Both these two are named accused in this particular charge sheet by the Delhi police, although one of the key accused who was earlier arrested, who has turned out to be an approver in this case, Amit Chakrabarti, has been given pardon by the court.
Well, absolutely. Now, after, the charge sheet talks about these allegations against Prabir Purkayasth and NewsClick, what are their counsel saying?
They have been denying it since the first time of this particular arrest which happened. The lawyers moved to the court, and they had also moved to the Apex Court, where the Apex Court also came out very harshly on the Delhi police for the production of Prabir Purkayasth, which happened over the night, because Prabir Purkayasth was arrested around 8:30 to 10 p.m. On the day when he was picked up by the Delhi Police Special Cell, and on the same evening he was produced before the residence of the Metropolitan Magistrate. The Apex Court has also taken this matter very much seriously, but following to what the Delhi Police has been saying, it's a matter of trial since the cognizance has been taken. Now the next step will be framing of charges in this particular case, and after framing of charges, Swati, the trial in this case will begin when the lawyers of Pravir Purkayastha will be giving a point-to-point rebuttal to all those allegations which have been leveled by the Delhi police on the basis of the evidence which they have collected.
All right. Thank you very much, Priyank, for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for the latest. For now, we're moving on.